MarineMax. My name is Larry, and today we're going to go over this 2020 Grady-White 235 Freedom dual console. It's a great combination of creature comfort and bow rider with lots of different fishing amenities. Let's take a look at it from the front. Just starting out from bow to stern, we're going to see that this boat's got a windlass, which makes it really nice and easy to anchor. We've got cushioned seating up forward, a great head compartment with lots of room inside, and this has a macerated head with overboard discharge. One of the features that's really great about this boat is this seat right here that allows your passengers to face forward and face rear at the same time. And check this out, the extended sun lounge, which extends all the way out to the rear bench, giving you full L-shaped seating all the way around. How cool is that? We've got a retractable ski pylon, a Yamaha 300 horsepower engine, fresh and saltwater washdowns, a live well, fish box, sink prep area, great ergonomic helm seat with armrests that make it easy to get in and out of this chair. That's got a flip up bolster, room for a 16-inch screen on the dash, and right above us on the T-top behind is a sunshade that extends all the way out to the transom for great sun coverage. So come on out and see this boat. We'll be happy to sea trial it with you. Thank you.